you still in pajamas? Don't worry. I'm going to help you to put together a quick and easy brunch that is going to wow your family and friends. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kate and I am here to show you how to make a quick and easy Christmas brunch. I mean, again, this could be done at any time. Doesn't have to be Christmas. But since Christmas is around the corner, why not try to put something together and let's cheat a little bit, right? Because we don't, again, it's Christmas morning. We don't have time to be doing nothing extravagant or fancy. But if we just put together just a few ingredients, a lot of the stuff you already have at home, you can wow your guests. So to start, we're gonna do, here are the ingredients. All you need is eggs, sausages, some bacon. If you have both, great. If you only have one, just use one. Some strawberries, blueberries, and orange. Some maple syrup, some croissants. I have some frozen waffles that I'm also gonna use. If you already have pancakes, or if you're one of those people that you're just a warrior, you're just gonna attack that kitchen and you're gonna make fresh pancakes, go ahead. Or if you have frozen pancakes, anything, guys, anything that you could just put on this nice board, we'll do it. Okay, and I have some orange juice and I forgot to put it here. Some Prosecco. So that's it. These are your ingredients, guys. Let's get to it. Now we're gonna start putting this whole thing together. So I have all my fruits already nicely washed, clean, diced, all that stuff. The orange, blueberries, and strawberries. You wanna add bananas, apples, anything you like, go ahead. I'm also gonna add, just for a little sparkle, a little dazzle, some powdered sugar. I got my bacon and I got my sausages. I got my waffles. See guys, as I told you before, you put this in the toaster oven and it's done. I have warm croissants, and that's, oh yeah, and the eggs. Well, we're gonna cook the eggs in a minute because I feel like the eggs is the last thing you want to do because they get cold. Who wants cold eggs? Not me. Okay, so now let's start assembling this. So I'm gonna start with a croissant here and maybe another croissant there, and then get your waffles. And I'm only using two because again, it's only like two of us. And, I don't want to waste any food. But, if you have a whole bunch of people, just make more. Right? So we're going to put maybe like this. And maybe you want to put a couple of like this. And then start putting your bacon. A couple of bacon streaks here. Maybe some there. More here. And now we're going to put our sausages. Want to make sure you put maybe your sausages near the bacon so it's easy for people just to grab them. My hands are clean, by the way. Bacon, sausages, yep. Let's maybe put a couple of more here. More bacon on this side because people love bacon. You can also use turkey bacon, right? Some people like to use turkey bacon. Okay, and now we're going to put our fruits. And now let's start putting our fruits. And again, guys, we're not trying to impress anybody. Well, actually, we are. They don't need to know. But yeah, just start putting your fruits. You know what? I would say put the strawberries near the croissants. There is something about strawberries with croissant. They're just so nice. Anyway, we might want to put one here and another one there. Guys, add more fruits if you like. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and put my oranges. Guys, oranges is a really good way to use it as a filler, right? Maybe some people might not want to eat the oranges. I personally do because I love a good orange, especially early in the morning. And this was $1. No, not even. I went to Walmart earlier and it was like 83 cents. And look, it gives it such a nice color. The presentation is there. It just makes it look very, very nice. And it's inexpensive filler, as I said. Yep, that's it. Maybe we put one back here. Okay, now add your strawberries. Not strawberry, blueberries or raspberries. I don't know. Some people like raspberries. Do you buy raspberries? I really don't because I don't know if anybody in this house eats raspberries. I had them before and they're okay. You know what also will go really great with all of this? English muffins. English muffins or regular chocolate chip muffins, anything, guys, anything that people like to eat, you just go ahead and chuck it in this board. Okay, now we're gonna go and do the eggs. So I have now started cracking the eggs, guys. Remember, this is gonna be quick and easy. So I already done it. Go ahead and crack the eggs for you. But I would say rule of thumb, 2 eggs per person, right? So if there's 4 of you, 8 eggs. You do the math. Now, guys, I'm adding the eggs. I have put some salt and pepper. Okay, so we have cooked the eggs. Guys, I don't know how you cook your eggs. I like them scrambled. I don't like them super cooked, but here you are. As I mentioned before, make sure that your eggs are the last thing you cook so they start nice and warm. And because it's Christmas and we all wish for snow, right? So get some of this. And I would say I would put it around the waffles a little bit, right? You don't want sugar on your bacon. So, and maybe your croissant, maybe the strawberries. I don't know, guys. Go crazy. Maybe go like this. Just a little sparkle. Didn't hurt anybody. Put your